يا أبا صالح.
Brothers and sisters, when we speak about the 12th Imam, we have to understand that us as an ummah, we are in the middle of a spiritual crisis. You know, when we speak about what is my responsibility during the Ghayba, before we speak about what your responsibility is during the Ghayba, we have to contextualize the Ghayba. We have to understand the great predicament that we find ourselves in. You know, brothers and sisters, being in a position where you don't have direct access to your Imam should bother you. You know, the Imam experienced two ghaybas, two occultations. The first is al-ghaybatu sughra, the minor occultation, where as an ummah, we had indirect access to the Imam through his nawab, through his deputies, through his representatives. That was not ideal, but it was better than no access to the Ma'soom. But we are living now during al-ghaybatul kubra, whereby there is no access to the Imam. And that should be something that bothers us, that makes us feel uneasy. That's why Ahlul Bayt, what do they say? When you're living during the Ghayba, فَتَوَقَّعُ الْفَرَجَ صَبَاحًا وَمَسَاءً. Ahlul Bayt, they say, when you're living during that period where you don't have access to the Imam, anticipate the reappearance day and night. What does that mean? What are the Imams trying to say to you when they say anticipate the reappearance day and night? It means that this is something that you should be thinking about on a regular basis. When you have a problem, your problem occupies your thoughts. If your car breaks down and you can't get to work for 2-3 days, what are you thinking about all day, every day until you fix that problem? You're thinking about how to fix the problem. You're thinking about your car, how to repair it. Because it's not an ideal position to be in where you don't have a way to get to work. We do not have access to God's representative on earth. We are all trying to become true human beings, but we don't have direct access to al-insan al-kamil. We don't have access to the perfect man.
Allahumma